So right off the back, just really quick. And really strong brakes too. For such a small car, like I said, it's just really, really peppy, and I like that about it. Especially in this Sport Plus mode, it's just awesome. And the paddles are pretty fun, very responsive. And now we're gonna dial it back into the eco mode. And actually really good fuel economy. And for this to be a coupe, especially a C-Class, I'm 6'3", and I'm able to fit in here quite comfortably. And I actually have the seat a little too far back, but it just helps me get the video. But a really, really comfortable space here. Of course, with it being a Mercedes, the seat is about as adjustable as you can get, and just everything is really nice in here. And for this to be a coupe, it helps that they have the blind spot monitoring, just in terms of visibility, because those do come in handy. But also, you got plenty of power, so if you can't see, you can just kind of gas it and get over. And eco mode is just so quiet and comfortable. It really is. We're gonna dial it back up to sport. Actually, we'll put it in Sport Plus to get on the interstate here. And I'm not gonna use the paddles, I'm just gonna see what the computer does. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Real nice. Yeah, it's great. Really great. And then just on the fly, you can put it back in the eco mode. I've got the cruise control on, and it's showing me 30 to 35 miles a gallon. So just a great car. Like, you can have it in Sport Plus mode, and it'll do its thing, and then you can get on the interstate and just get regular 4-cylinder car gas mileage. And in eco mode, you still have that 2-liter turbo engine. It doesn't shift as hard or get up in the revs as high, but you still have more than enough power if you just want to keep it in eco mode all the time. And just to show you, I'm gonna nail it in eco mode coming out of this corner. But what it does is it just keeps you from revving high. So as you let off the gas pedal, the engine revs less and less. The steering wheel feels really nice, and I love these steering wheels that Mercedes makes. Just, you're able to grip on them good. like I said, as you let off the throttle, it just does its best to keep the engine revs low. And if you want to, you can even use the paddle shifters in eco mode. And it still shifts very quickly in eco mode with the paddle shifters. And comfort mode is really nice too. And like with most Mercedes, the ride has been really good, even in sport mode, and the seats are comfortable. The steering wheel feels great. The seating position is great. So no complaints from this car. But that brings us to an end of my review of the 2017 Mercedes-Benz C300 Sport.